Hi, my name is Onyema Odeze, and today I want to share my experience in the building construction industry for the past 6 years. Back in 2016, I finished my bachelor's, master's, and national youth service in Nigeria, all those FCs, BM, and NY. And I was fortunate to land a job immediately in the audiovisual industry. I was a system designer for a systems integration and home automation company. I worked there for over 3 years, and one of my proud achievements in that role was the introduction of Autodesk Revit for system design and documentation. However, I left the job in 2018, 4 years ago, and I was fortunate to also be among the founding teams of two organizations immediately after leaving. And one is BIM Africa Initiative, a membership-based non-profit organization tied to BIM awareness, sensitization, and regulations and implementation all over Africa. Through BIM Africa Initiative, I've participated in numerous programs and activities such as student advocacy program, where we train students from over 50 universities across Africa. We organized several offline and online programs with many still in the pipeline. In 2020, we released the first African BIM report, and the second edition is even set to be released later this year. On the other hand, I was also a founding member of Blitz Inc, which is a services company. For the past 4 years, we've provided two significant services: education and consultancy services. We've trained several professionals and firms in the building construction industry through education services. We've consulted for numerous firms in the build sector through consulting services in BIM modeling, BIM management, BIM object creation, and standardization. But aside from Blitz Inc. and BIM Africa, I'm also a creative. To date, I've written 3 books. One of them is titled Essentials of Smart Building Technology. The other 2 involved content creation, distribution, and monetization, and they are all available in popular ebook stores like Amazon. I'm also an instructor at LinkedIn Learning. I have a course on Udemy and several courses on Blitz Online Academy. Last year, I ran a live online show on LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube simultaneously. I've written several articles and created several podcast episodes. So now here's the thing. For the past 6 years, I've seen the building construction industry from several angles. My background is in architecture, so I've seen the industry from the perspective of architects. And also, having worked in the AV industry as a system designer, I've seen the industry from the perspective of specialist consultants and contractors. Through our BIM training, awareness, and consultancy, I've also seen the industry from the standpoint of BIM specialists and engineers. Today, I'm an Autodesk certified professional for Revit architecture, Revit mechanical, and Revit electrical. That means I've created lots of interdisciplinary BIM models. In other words, I've interfaced with lots of engineers, mostly converting their 2D CAD designs to 3D BIM models. So I've seen industry from engineer standpoints and BIM points as well, including mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and others. But there's one thing that connects all this, and that is building information modeling. Over the years, we've done many sensitization and training programs on BIM, but then we feel it's not enough, and that is why we decided to launch a brand new initiative on our online academy called the BIM Masters. It's a live, practical, hands-on training cutting across every design discipline in the construction industry. It's a weekend program that spans over 10 weekends, starting from the 7th of October 2022. We've broken the training into small modules so that you can choose the ones that are peculiar to your use cases. The first cohort comprises 16 modules spanning architecture, engineering, quantity surveying, and also a touch of project management. But in this first cohort, our focus is on BIM modeling. Of course, we know that there are other aspects of BIM such as processes, policies, and people management, but the starting point and the bedrock of BIM still remains technology. In subsequent cohorts, we will add more modules and bring in more instructors. But then, talking about instructors, this first cohort features 9 highly experienced instructors cutting across the design disciplines in the build sector. And one of them is a lady currently doing her master's in BIM, BIM A Plus in Portugal. One of them is a practicing electrical design engineer working in the UK. One is a registered architect, an Autodesk certified professional, and also a lecturer at the University of Nigeria in Sokoto. So we have registered engineers, registered architects, and chartered quantity surveyors in the instructors team. So this is not just about BIM modeling, but also has to do with industry experience. This training promises to be highly loaded and impactful, so you can join from any part of the world, and it runs solely on weekends throughout the last quarter of the year, starting from the 7th of October 2022. To get the full details, visit www.blazme.com, and from the menu there, you see the BIM Masters. Click on it to see all the details. The journey of 1,000 miles is still begins with the steps, so enroll for this live training today to upskill yourself and stay relevant in the industry. Go to www.blazme.com. Thank you.